You searched how to buy shares of Rocket Lab Corp. Rocket Lab is an aerospace company that builds and launches small orbital rockets, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker RKLB, and this video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as the example platform. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker RKLB to find Rocket Lab Corp. Choose the listing that shows Rocket Lab Corp and the NASDAQ market to locate the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker to make sure it is the correct Rocket Lab Corp listing. Click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest. Check order details and confirm the order when you are ready. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed later, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Once executed, you will see the position in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same example steps.